I'm David Simmons, and this is The Mortgage Book. Congratulations, you're under contract, and you've given me all of your supporting documentation, and you've just signed that mountain of paperwork known as the preliminary loan disclosures. What happens next? This video is designed to answer a number of questions regarding the life of your loan. From signing the preliminary loan docs to signing the final docs at closing, I'm going to explain what happens behind the scenes while your loan is being approved and what your next steps will be. Step 1. I've submitted your file for setup, and the first thing our setup team member is going to do is order the title commitment from the title company. As you can see, requesting the title commitment is not the only thing that we've asked the title company for. There are numerous other items that we've got to have as well. In addition, our setup team is ordering your tax transcripts from the IRS, verifying your previous and current employment if needed. We validate the subject address and the listing and selling agent license number and their agency's license numbers. On government loans, we order a CAVERS, which is the Credit Alert Verification Reporting System, and order FHA case numbers on FHA transactions. We order an appraisal at this point if you've received a satisfactory home inspection and are ready to move forward with that. And finally, we fill out the Patriot Act form and make sure all the necessary docs are signed and dated by the borrower and myself. Now, this is a lot of stuff, but it's typically accomplished the same day or within 24 hours. Step 2, this is where your file is handed off to your loan processor. And your loan processor is here in my office and works diligently to make sure that the file meets underwriting guidelines set forth by the loan program. They are working to ensure that all the information that was on your loan application is accurate and the supporting documentation required to prove the information is in the file. It is in this stage that you're likely to be asked some additional questions. Okay, as an example, let's just say that you had some large deposits on your bank statements that did not come from your payroll, and I didn't ask you about them. Any significant amounts will have to be explained and sourced, so you're likely to get an email or phone call from the processor asking for a letter of explanation and supporting documentation to prove where the money came from. If you think of your loan as if it were a diamond just pulled from the earth, before you can admire the beauty of the diamond, it needs to be cut and polished. In a sense, that's what we're doing, polishing your file to meet underwriting and investor guidelines. Step 3, underwriting. This is the final stage before we issue your loan approval. And just like the processing piece, we're going to send it to an underwriter who has the final say-so on all the data that we've collected so far. All the stuff that we asked for during the setup and the processing goes to the underwriter for their review. Once that's approved, your loan is approved and we're ready to move to the final stage, which is the closing. Step 4, closing. Congratulations, this is where you go and sign your paperwork that solidifies the fact that you are now a homeowner and you have a mortgage. You've passed all the rigors of the processing, you've gone through the underwriting, and now it's just time for you to do your happy dance. All right, so that's it. That is the basics of the life of the loan. I hope you found this informative, and remember, if you need a realtor referral, let me know. I've got a list of excellent realtors that can help you find that perfect house that you're looking for. Please share this video, and be sure to check out the other videos that we have on my YouTube page.